In this video I will tell you how to fix Joom app not loading problem. So it is easy, so please watch the full video and also give a like. So let's get started. First of all, long press on Joom app, then tap on app info option. After that, tap on storage usage option and clear cache. Now clear data and OK. Now the next step is go to Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS or iPad, and tap on search option. Now here tap on search bar and search for Joom. Now tap on Joom option, and here you will see update button option. So simply update the app latest version. This will fix the issue of not loading problem. So hope this video will help you. Thanks.